Good evening, everyone. Now we are continuing. This is welcome to the Mathematics Rose channel. We are continuing the partial fraction. I have taken the question: find x square upon x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 with respect to dx. Now here is x square and here is x square into x square. If we will do, then we will get x to the power 4. So degree of the numerator and degree of the denominator both are different, but still we have to change this rational function. It is the proper rational function which is to be expressed in the form of partial fraction. For that, solution C. I am taking only function only x square plus 1 and then x square plus 4. Let us suppose let x square is equal to t. X square is equal to t. So this becomes t upon t plus 1 and t plus 4. So still it is the proper fraction of the proper fraction because the degree of t is 1 and here the denominator degree is 2. So we can write it hereby, because both are linear, t plus 1. We have just changed it into linear form, t plus 4. So now from these two we will get the value of a and b, where a and b are constant. So now we will write t plus 1 into t plus 4, a into t plus 4, b into t plus 1, and then only you will have to write t upon t plus 1. This is t plus 1 and then t plus 4. So now we have to find the value of a and b, putting the value of t in such a way that 1 will vanish. So here you just write it, t is equal to a t plus 4 plus b t plus 1. Denominator you will ignore. Now we will put the value of, this is taken as equation number 1. Put t plus 4 is equal to 0, means t is equal to minus 4. So here in place of t, minus 4 you have to write, and this is equal to a into 0, because this is, I have taken 0. And now here you just see b, in place of t you have to substitute minus 4 plus 1. So minus 4 is equal to, this becomes 0, this is minus 4 plus 1 minus 3b. So minus minus you can cancel. So therefore b is equal to 4 by 3. This is one of the values of b. So first of all, here I am writing so that we have to use after running. Now next we will put t plus 1 is equal to 0. T plus 1 is equal to 0 means we are going to vanish this and we have to find the value of a. So t is equal to minus 1. In place of t, minus 1, a, and in place of t it is minus 1 plus 4 and then b into 0. So this will vanish. Now this is taken as 0, so therefore this second term will vanish. So minus 1 upon 3. So we have calculated a is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So these two we have calculated. Now you just see that we have just done it, but in place of t we will substitute x square, then it is very easy to integrate. See how. तो now हम इसको रब कर देते हैं, निकाल देते हैं इसको. तो रवि actually is get wet, then it is very difficult to write. So now t upon t plus 1 into t plus 4. Same thing I am writing. In place of a, we have to substitute minus 1 by 3 upon t plus 1. And in place of t, you have to substitute again x square. And then in place of b, 4 upon 3 by x square plus 4. Because t is equal to x square we have taken. So in place of t, you have to substitute x square. Here x square. A is equal to minus 1 by 3 we have calculated, and b is equal to 4 by 3. Now this is what, if we have put the value of t, x square, then x square plus 1, x square plus 4. Then this can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 upon x square plus 1, and then it is 4 by 3 into 1 upon x square plus 4. This is taken as equation number 2. Now we have to integrate this. Now it becomes easy to integrate. So now we have to integrate this. So here I will give the integration sign, and just I am not giving here the integration sign, and in the next step, because we have to write dx also, so it becomes tedious. So integration of x square plus 1, and here you just see x square plus 4 dx. Constant will be taken outside. 1 upon x square plus this one can be written as 1 square dx. अब लिखेंगे और यहाँ पे 4 by 3 integration of x square. This 4 can be written as 2 square dx. Now up to this you can do very easily, as we know that the formula is 6 formula integration of 1 upon x square plus a square. It is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the formula from the page number. Let me see. This formula is written in the beginning of this integral chapter, page number 307. You will just learn these formulas. Integration of x square plus a square is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. Now here, this and this both are coming in the same form. So now we will do it. This is taken as I. So I is equal to minus 1 by 3 this is what here x is as it is, and x is equal to x, and a is equal to 1, and here x is equal to x and a is equal to 2. So now here 1 upon a means 1 tan inverse x by 1, then plus 4 by 3. From this we are taking 4 by 3, 1 upon 2 tan inverse x by 2, and then plus c you have to give. So if we will cancel this, this is 2 times, so it is minus 1 by 3 tan inverse x plus this is 2 by 3 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. Hope you understand it. There will be no problem at all. This is one of the good questions. This type of question can be asked in the, so if the examination will be subjective or if it is objective, still the subjective type of question will be given. Answer or full answer will be given. You have to correct the correct answer. Take the correct answer. Now, if you are understanding each and everything, if there is any type of confusion, then kindly WhatsApp any query 993936399998. In this number you can WhatsApp or comment me, so that comment me with your WhatsApp number, so that I will give the, or just write the question in WhatsApp. I will do in the next video. Okay, so if you are understanding, please like and subscribe my channel. As you know that it is Mathematics Rose with Sajid Akhter. Thank you.